Hi there, I'm Delroy. I'd like to introduce you to our company called Chestnology Inventors. And our invention is called the wheel assembly. Here we have a rim that is cut in half. The front half and the back half of the rim. First, let's look at the front half of the rim. We have here the circle here that is mounted with the rim in the mold. This is called the wheel assembly. You have here holes. There are alignment holes. They accept alignment pegs. You have here also holes that are threaded that accept bolts. Here you have, around this border here, the perimeter here, you have a mold. That right there compress the gasket. If anything should happen to this half of the rim right here, you replace this piece, not this piece. All you have to do is buy half the piece, which is the front of the rim. If you wish to take and make a whole new face of your car, just buy a whole different set of assembly rims for the front and just add it to this right here and change the whole looks of your car. Just by buying half the rim. Now, let's look at the second half. This here, circle here, is also the wheel assembly, which is molded to the second half as well. You have here alignment pegs, which aligns up with the alignment holes on this side. You have here holes that are not threaded, with bolts pass through. They are screwed into this side of the rim that secure the rim. When the gasket is put right here, over here, the gasket compressor compresses the gasket. Let me show you by putting the rims together. Let's stop right here. There's no groove, no flaws, one solid, smooth surface. When it's compressed like that, the gasket is compressed. That prevents air from escaping. And if you notice, when you cut the rim here and mold on this front half a wheel assembly, you also cut it right here in half, the center of it. Also insert a wheel assembly. You can cut it on the end and do the same here. You can put that wheel assembly in 3 places of a rim, according to what tire you use, what size you use, what vehicle you may use, a tractor trailer, or car, or bus, or your motorcycle. That works fine with each vehicle. It's universal. Let's move on. Notice the bolts. They go through this wheel assembly here onto the other half of the wheel assembly that's on the front of the rim. They are bolted in, torqued in with a torque wrench at approximately 25 to 35 psi, the same amount of torque you use on your lug nuts of your car. This right here is done without rushing off somewhere and get it done at a place that have a heavy-duty tire changing equipment. You do this at home. Anyone at appropriate age can do this. This right here can be done in your basement, your garage, your living room floor, and yet it takes no effort at all to do it. It's just that simple. So check out an invention. It's patented, you can see. Patent number is 990-2197. That's our patent. Look it up. And I thank you for listening. Have a nice day.